Coming up on UBPK. Once again, Jonty has abandoned me to go back to uni. So for today's mission, I have enlisted the help of a special guest. You may know him actually from our kayak drop video.
Here we go!
Oh. It's none other than the bravest ginger this side of the southern hemisphere, Jacob. Have you done any of your kayak drops since we last met?
No, I don't do that anymore, it's stupid.
Today we've got a slightly different challenge. We're going to find an abandoned railway tunnel. The first challenge is to get over this rather small fence actually. So we're following the old railway embankment now. It's completely private, but hopefully we won't get seen because we're obscured by all these trees.
You're not the only one who does parkour around here.
Oh, that looked like a bit of a gooch slam. Ooh, that's very boggy. Oh dear. YouTube, we have a slight problem. We've reached the wrong end of the tunnel.
Wait,
is that a gate? Just need to undo that. A high security installation.
Somehow we managed, years of loft picking, we managed to undo the open lock. Oh well. Oh, listen to this acoustic.
Oh. The Velociraptor Jake has arrived. If we just shut this behind us,
Get locked in here forever.
we're gonna get our torches on and venture in. Wish us luck. Ooh, there's a side tunnel. A very short side tunnel.
Great. So when we eventually map this out, we'll have to put this on, otherwise people will get lost.
Yeah. Wow.
Ooh, it's air.
I don't know how much you can see, YouTube, but this is rather awesome. I don't like the fact that there's cables running along here. I'm not a fan of all these cables running along. I'm worried we might get electrocuted in the water. Is this your first urban explore?
Yeah, I'd say so. I mean, apart from going to the shop to buy milk.
Oh, it's flooded. I wonder how deep it is. Ooh. Oh, it's very deep. We are wading through very deep water now. Oh,
Oh yeah, it's happening.
oh, that's not ideal.
It's about 4 degrees outside, isn't it? And we've got quite a bike ride back,
Yeah,
so...
it is winter in the UK. Jake has actually volunteered to come out here, so can we get a like for Jake in the comments? Oh, I'm coming up to my groin now. Jake is rather deep in the water, as am I. It's very cold. You can't really see much, but this is a properly flooded tunnel. Oh. I just felt a testicle go under. So cycling here punished my testicles, climbing over the fence punished Jake's testicles, and now going in freezing cold, waist deep water is punishing both our testicles. It's so cold.
From it looking like a relatively short tunnel, I mean, you'd walk around. It's now feeling like
Oh no, I've become a castrato. Oh, wait. Oh. No, it doesn't get better. I thought I'd reach the end, but it doesn't get any shallower.
change of clothes.
Jake's now wearing a crop top.
I want to hear how my raptor noise sounds in this tunnel. Are you ready for the raptor noise?
I am. Fucking hell! Wow, look at that. That is awesome. The scariest thing was Jake shrieking and Jake wearing a crop top, which he's still doing for some reason. Have you just decided that you enjoy it at this point?
No, I'm just trying to keep my torso warm.
Jake had a sort of Danish girl moment in the sewage tunnel. Ooh, someone's built a tower. That's very snazzy.
I believe I do weaken my feet.
We have a slight problem. We don't want to go back the way we came, but the gate we've just reached is very locked. So we're gonna have to climb over.
Hopefully.
Jake's gonna go first.
There's been a lot of threats to our Gooch's integrity on this.
Yeah, this is the ultimate gooch challenge. If we can get over here, our gooches can survive anything. Jonty and I intend on having children together, and this will very much ruin that chance.
It really hurt.
Ooh, you just have to jump down, I think. Oh, be careful, Jake.
I know.
Your anus is right next to that spike.
I just want to get my feet solid, but they can't. They're not solid. Do you know what? I reckon it's... No, I don't know. I suppose you got the wall. Stop gassing on.
Oh.
It is dodgy.
Yeah.
I put my foot on the side of the wall. Okay. Yeah, you got a slightly wider gap there.
Oh,
I did not feel safe. Oh, that's good, yeah. Well done, that's good.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, thank fuck. That was by far the sketchiest part.
We have waded through bollock deep water. Jake has discovered his start of his transvestite journey, and our gooches are somehow intact. So I would say that is a massive success. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Oh, that was a brilliant outro.